Welcome to Ekkim Yuva Shakti, and today we have with us an excellent guest, a master of his art and a sensation among the youth. Let's welcome Mayank.
The school level.
Feel coming back to your alma mater after so many years?
To be honest, I mean, the school has a special place in my heart. To be honest, I wouldn't deny that. Plus, I try sometimes to take out some time and then come here because this is the only time where I get a little off time from the game and all the training sessions which I have. Plus, my journey started from here, so I still remember playing right over there the first 3 months, because after that, of course, it's going to switch on to the soccer and then the hockey. But yeah, I mean, all the staff out there, headmaster, everyone out here, this school is not just a school, but it's like a family for me. That's
Same
how
for
good
us.
I am connected, and I think this is the best school I've ever seen.
And tell me, how do you think that, according to you, the youth can continue to inspire and engage? How can cricket continue to inspire and engage today's youth amidst so many other entertainment options? Because there are so many other options.
I feel in India, cricket is not just a game. It's not just a sport, but it's a religion in India. I mean, if you could see, there's 150 crore Indians out there, and then there will only be 15 players who are going to be playing for the country's senior team. So of course, I mean, it's challenging as well, but that's something which will make you a better cricketer, because in India there's so much of competition, and then you have to be right there with your training, and you have to be consistent with your performances and keep doing it over the years to be there. So I feel cricket, for me, it was quite challenging for me, because it was only the first 3 months where we play cricket out here, and then after that, of course, switch on to some other sport for the rest of the year. But I mean, again, the support which I got from the school was insane. Getting the extra practices, getting all the things which I needed, be it like the diet, be it the training sessions, and even the environment out here is so nice that, of course, you grow as a person. And I feel once you walk out of this school, you would be a great human being for sure. Rest, of course, I mean, career wise it's different. Someone wants to become a cricketer, someone wants to pursue his studying, whatever. So I feel in BCS, it's the best thing about the environment out here. It's because of the management. So it has always been top notch, and they've been so loyal to the school. So yeah.
And adding up to that, what suggestion would you give to the young cricketers who really want to make it big in the sport?
See, I think working smart is very important, because it's not about you spending hours on the field, but how smartly are you there on the field is something which is very important, because nowadays you don't have that much of time to okay, fine, you are spending 8 hours onto the field. No, I mean, you need to work really smart, and purposeful practice should be there, where that this is the area you need to improve on, so that if you practice hard, things gonna get easy on the field.
Right. And so, how do you think that cricket can be utilized as a tool for promoting important values and life skills, among young people?
I feel, I see cricket, it's not just on the field, but off the field it does matter a lot. I think staying loyal is something which is very important to the game, or anything you do in your life. So I've always kept that in mind, where if you're loyal off the field, you would always be loyal on the field.
Right.
Be it your training session, be it your match preparation, be it your off time, whatever. Because sometimes we guys mislead that we only have to do well on the field, or maybe when the exams are coming, we're gonna study. So मेरे साथ होता था, of course. I mean, when exams used to come, I used to, of course, now just one day left, need to study. But that's not how it works in cricket or in studies as well. You work the entire year so that you can perform well in the exams. So it same goes to the cricket as well. You need to keep performing, you need to keep training over the years. It's where I am today is because of the school, because my journey started from here. Like when I started playing for Shimla district, and then when I went on to play for Himachal State, and then for the Under 19 World Cup and then Ranji Trophy as well. So I think it's very important to be loyal. I think that's the main part. That then comes the other thing. Sometimes, of course, you won't be performing that well. Sometimes there would be drastic change in the performances, but it's us who need to understand that thing, how to get back at it quickly.
Nice.
Just a different question. What was the funniest, weirdest experience which you experienced on the field during a match?
I think my previous, like the amazing feeling was when there was this national anthem was going on in the Under 19 World Cup final game, which was 2016, and then in 2024 the opening game against CSK, the IPL opening game. I mean, it was something huge. Getting the debut cap from my idol Virat Bhai. So there were 4 debutants in that game, which was me, Cameron Green, and Alzari Joseph, and there was this one more guy, Yash Dayal. So every 4 senior players were supposed to give the debutants, but getting it from Virat Bhai, I mean, it was the best feeling for me. And sharing the field, and when the best in the world praise you for your bowling, your fielding, and everything. So it's a very big thing for me, and it will always be special, getting the cap from the idol. And I feel honored, and I feel gratitude towards it. The way the words that he says, it's always in my mind, and it's right back there whenever I just step onto the field.
Right. So the last question, and just out of the box question: which teammate would you choose to be stranded on an island with, and why?
Recently we went on a short trip before the last league game. So it was me, Maxwell, Faf, and there's this guy Tom Currentisi. He's a very funny guy, to be honest. So we went to Maldives actually. So Maxi and they did like crazy stuff. When it comes to chilling, no one's better than them. So yeah, it was quite good. I mean, it's a great company, being there with the legends, chilling on the field and off the field. So it's always special.